Hey Keto fam, who says you have to give up pancakes when you're on keto? Today, I've got the ultimate recipe for fluffy keto pancakes. They're light, delicious, and you won't believe they're low carb. Let's get flipping. Here's what you'll need to make these perfect keto pancakes. 2 large eggs, a 1/4 cup of almond flour, 2 tablespoons cream cheese softened, 1 tablespoon coconut flour, 1 teaspoon baking powder, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract, a pinch of salt, and a little butter or oil for greasing the pan. All right, let's get started. First, crack your eggs into a mixing bowl and whisk them until smooth. This is key for getting those fluffy pancakes. Next, add in your softened cream cheese. The cream cheese is going to make the batter extra creamy, so make sure it's soft enough to mix easily. Keep whisking until you've got a nice smooth blend. Now we're going to add our dry ingredients: almond flour, coconut flour, baking powder, and a pinch of salt. The combo of almond and coconut flour will give us that perfect pancake texture, while the baking powder helps them rise and stay fluffy. Don't forget the vanilla extract for that classic pancake flavor. Mix everything together until your batter is smooth. Heat up a non-stick skillet over medium heat and add a little butter or oil to grease the pan. You want it hot but not smoking. Now spoon your batter into the pan. I like to keep them small, about 23 inches in diameter, because keto pancakes are a little more delicate than regular ones. Cook each pancake for about 23 minutes on the first side, or until bubbles form on the surface. Then flip and cook for another minute or so until golden brown and cooked through. And there you have it, fluffy golden keto pancakes. Stack them high and top with your favorite sugar-free syrup, butter, or even a few berries if you're feeling fancy. These fluffy keto pancakes are so light and delicious, you'll forget they're low carb.